Shang dynasty bronzes and all kinds of oracle bones. It gives us a sense of the antiquity of the culture, the literacy very early on, the sense of ritual, the sense of music. They elevate our understanding of ancient cultures in many, many ways.
It's a great opportunity to get to know China better for many Western scholars. The conference is a way to get first-hand information, first-hand experience.
This conference is unique, innovative, and this is the message you brought through this conference. Unite people, understand each other, people from different countries with different ideas will come together and find, as you have shown in the past, that we combine diversity to bring unity.